Probably Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Only in a manger. With the kings. Mickey Maka. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Feliz Navidad. My favorite song was the Feliz Navidad. Like Christmas.
One of my favorite songs to sing is the Holiday Tango, also White Christmas are my favorite.
With their teams. Getting him a present. Favorite moment? Going outside. The cookies. And when you get no time. Singing with everybody.
When we ate was it a grilled cheese sandwich for lunch?
When we made cookies. When we made the cookies.
Learning how to sing in front of other people and with other people, not being shy anymore like I used to be.
I think yesterday when Nikolai was crying, that wasn't the positive part. The positive part was so cute because he was crying because he didn't get to say goodbye to Miss Gabby. And it just means that, you know, the kids are getting involved and feeling love from everybody and just having a good time. So.
Oh, there's been so many good moments. Well, right now, it was nice to see little Nikolai lead the kids in Melikaliki Maka. I also really liked surviving the Bass Hall tour with all the children. That was, I don't know, that was my favorite. I'm just thankful we got in and got out all safe.
I think watching them do the holiday tango, like helping them do the holiday tango was fun because it's a new song to me and it was a fun to see them get excited about. I really like watching the kids learn Melikaliki Maka. It's adorable to hear them speak the different languages.
I think probably the French one, Ilene. It's called Ilene, and it just means he is born. But we made a point of it this past summer camp to start working with foreign languages as well in music. And so we did a French counting song that was super easy, and then like a German kid song. And so we're like, well, what do we do this year for Christmas? And it was a no-brainer to do Feliz Navidad in Spanish. But the French one really challenged them because it wasn't just, memorize these numbers and like kind of do these sounds, like they were bona fide sentences in a song that most of them didn't know. So it was a challenge, but I think definitely by the fourth day they were getting it. I think some of the kids picked it up a lot easier than others, but they all did it, especially the refrain.
I did not teach instruments except vocal is an instrument, and so that was my part.
I did. I taught the ukulele. I taught a little bit of piano. I taught about the trumpet, the tuba, and the flute. And I taught the singers a lot.
I did a demonstration of a clarinet.
During camp, we let them to noodle on drums. Just a little bit. I don't think we really taught anything to anyone, but they were able to play that. They were able to play plenty of ukuleles, work on piano, guitar, and we did some real teaching on guitar and ukulele this year. We didn't really do a ton with piano, but yeah.
It is. It's a cool place to like. It's like relaxed and a nice place to be able to come and take your kids and have them learn music. And I myself have actually started learning music or drums, and so it's a really fun way to get them involved in something other than school or sports. And my kids are enjoying it.
I like how I like the activities here.
Fun.
I would describe it I like how they get the papers, but we always work all the time.
I think Funky Town is a top-rated music school, and I am so impressed with the level of talent that is present with the teachers and the students.
It's a good place where you learn Christmas songs. But main of trend and good. Funky.
Funky Town is fun. I love that everybody just gets to come, like, no matter what they know, if they know a little bit, if they know a lot of it, and they just get to show up and learn more and have fun.
It's a big experiment. It's like a laboratory, like a science lab, but it's kind of like a dream place. I think that people, have dreams of like becoming musicians, and then the teachers that we hire dream of like making livings and lives, and some of them are currently doing it, but a lot of them are young, college students or right out of college as well. So it's just kind of like a big experiment, and it's very like whimsical, and it's very, it's just very like, what if, so I think it has a neat sense about it rather than like a dreary, like an old woman with cats teaching piano, and hitting your kid's wrist with a ruler, or, just one of the big music schools that are, statewide or national companies that are just really profit driven and really two-dimensional and don't really teach your kid music. We do. So I think we're doing things the right way.